Today I am doing a Vitacost haul. I love Vitacost. I've been ordering from them for years. It started with supplements. I would get my vitamins from them, and then they started adding more and more things. And what I like is that I can get things from them that are a little bit harder to find in the grocery store, and many times they're cheaper. So before I have done Thrive Market hauls, I would compare the price between Thrive and Vitacost. But I'm going to tell you, it's really kind of difficult because this week Thrive might be having a sale. Next week, Vitacost might be having a sale on the same product. And so it just depends which week you're buying. Vitacost does not have a membership, which is one of the things that I love. So that's another thing that you would have to account for. How much did you pay for the Thrive membership? How much did you pay for shipping? You know, those kind of things. If you have an order $49 or more, you get free shipping. To me, that's very appealing, and I get their orders very quickly. So without further ado, let's dive into what's in this box. There are things that, like I said, are a little bit harder to find in the grocery store, at least in mine. My Whole Foods is about 25 minutes without traffic. Same with my Trader Joe's. And I really don't prefer to go to 2 or 3 different grocery stores driving around all over the place to get what you need. So I'm gonna drop the box on the floor to get it out of my way. And we're gonna start with the Boulder chips. I don't eat chips a lot, and my family will verify that. I don't eat chips a lot, but there are times if we're having a sandwich or maybe we're making a burger and everyone else wants chips and so do I. So I just make sure I have some in the house that I can grab, and it has healthy ingredients. And with the Boulder, they use avocado oil, which I'm a big fan of, instead of canola or corn or some of those that are inflammatory. Siete. When you look at the ingredients in Siete, not all of them are the same. So you do still need to check the ingredients on the Siete. It's not like all of them are the same because they do have some that have some oils that I don't want in my home. But these are simple ingredients: potatoes, avocado oil, and sea salt. And I love these chips. They're so good. Everything in here smells like mint. I just made my tooth powder that I'm going to be selling soon, and everything smells like the essential oils, the mints. Mint is in the air. I love 2 Gems, and you know, as we talk about simple ingredient lists, they have simple ingredients. And when you are going for a dark chocolate chip or you're eating chocolate, you want to try and go for 60% cacao or more, and these fit the bill. I like to order tomato paste in a tube. That way it lasts longer, it's concentrated, and you can just put it in the refrigerator. All it has in it is organic tomatoes. Always good to have on hand. Sunflower lecithin. I put this in my bread. It helps to give it more fluff. I don't use gluten, and so this takes the place of that. Just helps it to not be as dense and gives it a wonderful texture. I like the sunflower lecithin instead of the soy non-GMO, and I really trust the Now brand. They're doing a good job with their products. I'm trying a new collagen powder. Someone told me about this one. It has hyaluronic acid in it, and it fit all of the other requirements. Grass-fed is from grass-fed cows, farm-raised chicken, wild-caught fish, has eggshell in it, which is a great source of collagen, and chicken bone broth, enhanced with hyaluronic acid and vitamin C, and it has all 5 types of collagen, which is what you want to look for, making sure that your collagen comes from an amazing source. All I can say is, because people will say, does it work for you? I'm like, gosh, I don't know, I've been using it so long. So all I can say is I'm 53 years old. I don't feel like I look 53, and I only color my hair about 4 times a year. And if you can see what's going on now, little teeny grays around my hairline. So is this helping the grays to stay away? They say that it does. I don't know, I've been using it since 2017, so maybe it does work. And even if I look 53, I don't feel it. And that matters even more to me than the way that I look, whether I have a little wrinkle or not. My husband likes angel hair pasta. I do too, but you know, I would put my spaghetti sauce over spaghetti squash, but occasionally I'm just gonna make one thing instead of two different things, and so we get the angel hair pasta, and this one is organic, so at least I know that it doesn't have pesticides sprayed on it, and it is in the good category. Once you really are working on your health journey, you want to live in that good, better, or best category, so at least we've hit the good. I love 1 Degree. If you've watched any of my hauls, you know how much I love this company. Glyphosate-free, organic, doing amazing things, and this time I ordered their steel-cut oats. Love them. Liquid amino acids. Usually when I go to the grocery store, I can only find a small bottle, but this is the one I go to whenever we're using a soy sauce because of the way that it is made. It is not hydrolyzed, and it is organic. Does it say that on here? Calcium carbonate. The reason why I get this is because I use it in the tooth powder that I make. Again, Trust the Now brand. It's very important when you get baking powder that you get baking powder that does not have aluminum in it. A lot of the companies have aluminum in it. Aluminum has been linked to Alzheimer's, very serious, messing with the brain. This is a good brand doing good things. I also want to make sure that when cornstarch is put in a product that it's not modified, which means GMO. None of that going on here. So I just go ahead and get the baking soda. Real salt, there's 2 salts that I have in my home, Celtic and real salt. And those 2 salts are high in trace minerals. I like the fine for everyday cooking. That way you don't get that grit, because when it's coarse, then a lot of times you can start to chew your food and hear a little crunch going on. We don't want that. I really like the Frontier brand, non-irradiated. You do not want that. We're denaturing our products by doing that. Organic parsley, organic sweet basil. I feel like I can taste the difference in the flavor as well. It even says it right there, superior flavor. They know. More from the Frontier. You can get bulk. You can also join co-ops where you can get Frontier a lot cheaper. But since I was placing this order, I just went ahead and got some of the necessities, some of the things that I use quite often. Good thing I didn't miss that. This is the Ancient Nutrition frankincense, and I don't know if you know, frankincense is amazing internally and externally. You do want to read about it so that you make sure you put it with the right carrier oil, and especially if you're ingesting it. But Ancient Nutrition, there's different types of frankincense, which is supposed to be more powerful. You can use it orally. It actually kills bacteria, antimicrobial. It's also anti-aging, so you can put it in some of your skincare, and also diffusing it, which is amazing. If I'm gonna eat mayo, usually I will use mayo in something. Like, I don't smear it on a sandwich because I'm not really a mayo girl, but I wanna make sure that it has nice clean ingredients, and Primal Kitchen is doing a great job with the majority of their clients, with the majority of their products, and they have super simple ingredients. I get excited when I look at this because I forget what I ordered, so it's kind of like a present. Is that weird? If you order from Vitacost, would you please let us know what you are ordering from there, because viewers really like to know and read through your comments, and so do I. There might be something that I haven't thought about. This has become a new love for me, the Primal Kitchen Dreamy Italian. I'm really enjoying this on my dark green salad with the avocado, and it also helps to add a nice little healthy fat. Anyway, it's delicious. I haven't tried this one, but I really like barbecue sauce, and so I thought I would give it a try because it has very clean ingredients, especially when you compare it to all the barbecue sauces in the store, which the majority of them have high fructose corn syrup and white sugar, so it's really hard to get away from. When I order, I'll go ahead and tag on things that maybe our grocery store does have, but since I'm ordering, might as well. And a lot of times they are a little bit cheaper. than what you get in the grocery store. The Muir Glen, I like them a lot, and we love our spaghetti. So the tomato sauce, the diced tomatoes, which I can never have enough of, and I don't think I can ever place an order without ordering the Native Forest coconut milk. This is harder to find, and it just has 2 simple ingredients, which is coconut milk and water. That's all we want. We don't need anything else. It's delicious. Like I said, this was a small haul, but I wanted to share it with you. And again, if you'll comment, let us know, have you ordered from Vitacost? What are some of the things that you are ordering from there? And also, I wanted to share with you that I have a new program out, and it is called The Biblical Approach to Overcoming Anxiety. It is an amazing program that takes you through 5 weeks of how to shut down anxiety, addressing all the things mind, body, and soul. We go through how to move your body, what to eat, how to supplement, even talk about herbs that help. I also have other speakers in there with me. I'm not the only one teaching. It is a group, so it has a start and an end date, but you can check that out on my website, and I'll put the link below. If you haven't signed up for my 3-day detox, I'll put the link below as well. You can click that link, sign up for my free 3-day detox. And the thing that is so good about a detox, and the reason why it is impactful, is because it helps to clean out all of the toxins in your body. So if you're starting on a diet, you're trying to lose weight, or you're on a new health journey, the first thing that we want to do is get that liver functioning properly, get those kidneys flushed out, and it's a good way to start. I want to thank you guys for watching. If you would please like and subscribe if you haven't already subscribed to my channel, if you're enjoying my content. Be sure and share this with people that you know need to hear it, and you guys have a great day.